So, some of you might know I'm in a group to kind of get started with my online business for physical therapy. And along this way, what I have learned is that people have no idea how to start a business, regardless of if it's physical therapy, if it's a jewelry company, if it's a massage company, if it's selling something online, if it's selling something on Etsy, whatever it is, dog walking. None of us have any idea what we are doing. So I'm really glad that I found the group that I did. It's mostly marketed towards healthcare professionals, but I realized that a lot of what we're learning is applicable to pretty much everything. So what I wanted to pop on today was I had a talk with somebody today and actually 2 weekends ago about social media management. So one of the things that you do when you're starting your business is make sure that you're posting consistently and often to whatever the social media channel is that you are using where your people are. So Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is. So if you're using Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, there's some apps that you should really know about. And they're really simple, to be honest. So instead of wasting our time just taking our phone, taking our picture, posting it to each platform, whatever it is we're using, and trying to remember to do that consistently, that takes a lot of time, and it's really kind of annoying especially when we forget to actually post it. So there's a couple apps. One is called Hootsuite, like hoot like an owl, Hootsuite, Hootsuite, and the other is called Later, like see you later. And both of them are basically platforms that you can just download on your phone. Hootsuite you can also do online. I'm not sure about Later. I haven't used Later in a while. And I believe that Later lets you do one account. And then if you want to do more, you have to pay. Hootsuite, I ended up paying, so I forget what their free offers. But basically, spend like 2 hours, put together a bunch of your different posts, a bunch of different videos, your pictures, whatever it is. And then spend part of your day just setting it up in one of those applications and just getting familiar with it. And you can pre-schedule your things. So let's say I want to post tomorrow at 7 p.m. I'm going to be in the middle of dinner and I don't want to post or whatever. I'll do it today and have that app post it for me at 7 p.m. So I do like 2 weeks, 3 weeks in advance. For instance, I'm about to go on my honeymoon. I'm going to be gone for about 3 weeks. I'm going to pre-do all of my videos, get them set up on Hootsuite where it will automatically post for me. However, just so you know, there is a difference between pictures and videos. Pictures, it will automatically post. Videos, you actually do have to go, so I'd have to get somebody to actually go click post for me, unfortunately, at least for the Instagram parts. Facebook, you're fine, as well as YouTube, it'll do it on its own. But yeah, stop wasting your time doing these videos and these pictures all the time. Spend some time, do it all at once, and then go post them through some of these apps and save yourself some time, save yourself the hassle. But give it a shot. That's my tip that I learned, and that's really helped me with my time management. So I hope it helps some of you guys out.